Captain Duck and the Duck King. In a peaceful pond hidden deep within the Whispering Woods, a community of ducks thrived. Among them was Captain Duck, a brave and adventurous soul with a white feathered chest, a sharp bill, and a hat made of lily leaves. Captain Duck was known for his courage and wit, often leading the other ducks on daring missions to explore the world beyond their serene pond. Have shown great courage and wisdom on your journey? What is it that you seek? Captain Duck bowed respectfully. Your Majesty, I seek to learn the secrets of your enchanted realm, so that I may better lead and protect my community. The Duck King nodded and removed his crown, holding it out to Captain Duck. The power of this crown lies not in magic alone, but in the understanding of nature and the balance of life. To lead is to serve, to protect is to understand, and to command is to listen. Captain Duck, humbled by the Duck King's wisdom, accepted the crown. As he placed it on his head, he felt a surge of knowledge and a deep connection with the world around him. He could hear the whispers of the wind, feel the heartbeat of the earth, and understand the language of the water. The Duck King smiled. You are now a true leader, Captain Duck. Return to your pond and use this knowledge to guide your community wisely. Captain Duck and his companions returned to their pond as heroes. With the wisdom granted by the Duck King, Captain Duck led his community to prosperity, ensuring that all lived in harmony with nature. The pond flourished like never before, and the tale of Captain Duck and the Duck King became a legend, told by ducklings for generations to come. And so, the Whispering Woods remained a place of peace and wonder, with Captain Duck as its wise and brave protector, always guided by the lessons learned from the Duck King. The Duck King welcomed them warmly. I have been expecting you, Captain Duck, he said in a voice that echoed like the gentle ripple of water. You have shown great courage and wisdom on your journey. What is it that you seek? Captain Duck bowed respectfully. Your Majesty, I seek to learn the secrets of your enchanted realm, so that I may better lead and protect my community. The Duck King nodded and removed his crown, holding it out to Captain Duck. The power of this crown lies not in magic alone, but in the understanding of nature and the balance of life. To lead is to serve, to protect is to understand, and to command is to listen. But Captain Duck, with his fearless spirit and clever strategies, led his team through every danger. When they encountered the storm eagle, a giant bird of prey, that guarded the skies near the enchanted lake, Captain Duck devised a plan. Using Waddle's strength, they built a raft from fallen branches, and sailed it across a turbulent river, while Feather distracted the eagle with her speed, leading it away from their path. Finally, they reached the edge of the enchanted lake. The water sparkled with a mystical light, and at its center stood a small island, where the Duck King resided. Captain Duck and his companions flew to the island, where they found a majestic duck with golden feathers, and a crown that shimmered with the colors of the rainbow. Curiosity piqued, Captain Duck decided to set out on an expedition to find the Duck King, and learn the secrets of his enchanted realm. He gathered his closest companions, Quack, the cleverest duck in the pond, Waddle, the strongest and most loyal, and Feather, who was swift and agile, able to fly higher and faster than any other. The journey was long and treacherous. They flew over towering mountains, crossed vast fields, and navigated through dark forests, where the trees seemed to whisper ancient secrets. Along the way, they faced many challenges, fierce storms that threatened to blow them off course, rivers too wild to swim across, and predators lurking in the shadows.